Hello everybody and welcome to one of our how-to guides. We are celebrating the fabulous Amaryllis this December, leading right up to the Christmas period. So today we're going to create a really simple, crisp white statement centrepiece. So I'm using one bunch, that's sort of 10 stems of Salix Snow Frosted. I'm using 6 to 7 stems of Amaryllis Mont Blanc. Now the quantity will depend on the size vase that you're doing, because obviously you can make a slightly smaller vase if you wish to, or even go massive and make a bigger one. I'm actually using a 60 centimetre by 20 centimetre cylinder vase. The other things you'll need is just your florist, use your florist box, most importantly your scissors and a jug of water. All right. So this type of arrangement is kind of perfect for a corporate event really, because it is quite huge. So a hotel lobby or even a wedding centrepiece, if you've got a winter wonderland wedding, it would be perfect for that. Or even if you do it on a slightly smaller scale, you could do it for your home, unless you've got a grand entrance with a huge round table to create that welcome, would be perfect. So welcome your guests this festive season, whether it be corporate or whether it be home entertaining, and create this fantastic simple centrepiece. Enjoy. So to create this stylish arrangement, it's so simple to do. I have a few top tips. So you need to prepare and condition your amaryllis before you make the arrangement. The amaryllis will actually need to be conditioned or rehydrated before you work with them, because they do take a little while to open up. The ones that I've used today have actually been in water for 5 days, and that's how developed they've become. So you need to factor that in to the arrangement. If you want them fully bloomed, you might need to get them into water a little bit more previous to what I've done. Okay. So storage wise, keep them in a cool environment overnight. If you're using it for a party, then the amaryllis can actually be replaced as and when required. So potentially you could create the same arrangement but replace the amaryllis for sort of 4 to 6 weeks if you've got a series of parties happening, if you're that lucky person. So top tip number 3, if you don't want to see the stems through the vase, you could use a black cylinder vase, or you could actually line the vase with aspidistra leaves first before you put all your flowers and your salix in. So top tip number 4, different types of flowers that will actually suit this arrangement would be hydrangea. Hydrangeas would look stunning around that. So you can refer actually to one of our previous videos which demonstrates a very similar concept using delphinium and hydrangea. All right, well, I hope it's inspired you to get something really fantastic and a statement arrangement for this Christmas period. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we've got more inspirational ideas celebrating the fabulous Amaryllis this festive period. So don't forget to like us and share us with your friends. And keep those comments coming. We'd love to hear what you think about what we create for you. All right, thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye for now.